Oh, yes, so I am going to film her until she leaves. Are you enjoying sunshine? Are you? I know, we had a miserable winter, did we? Oh. She knows how to enjoy the life, honey. Hey, this is my plant. It's not bad, isn't it? Eh? Hello, darling. Yeah? Oh, no. Please don't sit down, will you? Oh, it's fine. All right. As long as you love it. Okay. So happy. Are you sleeping there? How long do you wanna stay? No bothers. 왜 엄마 쳐다봐? 영. Good girl. That is a plant bed, not doggy bed. You're not expecting belly rub, are you? Oh, alright. Belly rub. Alright then. Flame become her pillow. Oh, sorry, darling. Yes. How long do you want to stay? I know, it's just so warm. Mommy wanna go in though. Do coming in? Ponki, you're not coming in? No? Come on. I'm going to shut the door. I'm going to shut the door. Come on. Okay. Let me going up, check up. Yeah. Hello, darling.